Even now as I speak, the heads have rebelled. The principals have rebelled. You cannot keep on students in school while they're hungry. So they said these learners must go back home. And that is contrary to the policy that we have in this country. All learners must be in school. We want to appeal to the government. Can we check on timely capitation to our schools so that learners remain in school? So that heads are not seen as being biased to learners. So that heads are not seen to be going against the government policy. At times we are pushed to the wall. So, question I want to tell you is, I looked at a document that was presented to my office by the current chairman of Kenya Schools, Secondary Schools Heads Association. It is pathetic, my brother. And I want to tell you, even earlier, the issue of capitation for senior school was at 21,000. Immediately, it was reduced 17,000. We don't understand the rationale. And I want to tell you that heads are crying. Principals are crying. The situation is pathetic. I don't want to go beyond that. If you understand the word pathetic, that is the situation. That is the situation. I don't want to go into nitty-gritties of explaining pathetic. It is simply pathetic.